Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it?
Y'all know what time it is. Welcome to Hook 'em in the Mouth Kayak Fishing. I'm your hook master, Charles Kramer, and we about to make it happen. I'm your hook master and your kayak captain. Big fish or small, one fish or two, you know what we do, we hook 'em in the mouth. So let's get into it, no longer talking, just straight hookups. Remember, when you're out there, don't snag 'em, hook 'em in the mouth. So let's go, let's get it, let's make it happen. Wear your life vest at all times, have fun and be safe, and holler at your boy. Hook 'em in the mouth. We got us practice tarpon, boy, pulling, dragging everything. He's a nice sized one. He's running right to me. Look at that joker. Damn. Hey y'all, that's that practice tarpon for that ass. Right there. These big joker, slimy jokers. This here the tarpon. The lady fish, but I call them the practice tarpon. Holla at your bug. We hooked up, y'all. We hooked up. It might be another lady. No, it ain't a lady. It's a trout ski. It's a trout ski. All right, y'all. We ain't got no keeper off in the boat, though. Come on, dude. Get that up out you. There he is. Another trout. And I hooked him in that fang mouth. Holla at your ball. We found. Yeah, it was a trout. We hooked up, y'all. We hooked up. It's another trout. They coming in like a summer gun. But ain't none of them big enough to keep with your slimy yellow mouth. I know I'm a slimy yellow mouth sucker, but let me go. Well, get on out of here then. We gotta catch another one. Let's see if we can flick another one off in here. They've been trying to flick off in here, but every once in a while get a little bit bigger. They need to get a little bit bigger, don't they? Flick off in here a little bit bigger. Hook 'em in the mouth. We hooked up. It's probably a little trout. Sure enough. Troutski's over here. Oh, hold on, yellowmouth. Hold on, yellowmouth. We got this here, another yellowmouth. Oh, calm your ghost smelling ass down. There he is, y'all. Holla at your boy. Yep, that's it for that one. We hooked up, y'all. What is it, a ladyfish? Joker jumping. No, it's a trout. See, it's a trout, y'all. Oh, get your ass up here. Why you gotta swallow my shit? Oh, slipped out my hand. Double finger. Nah, he ain't a keeper. You better swallow that motherfucker though. Yeah, he's bloody. Let me wash you off for film. There he is, y'all. It's windy as fuck, but we got him. Get on out of here. He said, holla at your boy, holla at your boy, holla at your boy. Hook him in the mouth, we hooked up. It's another trout. It's another trout, y'all. But they ain't big enough to keep out this motherfucker. They ain't big enough to keep out this summer fish. Bro, I hooked you in the tongue, buddy. Hold on. There we go. You out of here. Trying with a clusterfuck going on, but he got something. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh shit, don't let me fuck you up. You need me to grab him? Oh fuck. You over there like the puppet man, the puppet master. The puppet master Tron. That's a nice one there. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. It's about 18 inches, isn't he?
I don't know.
You was going through hell to keep him. Hook him in the mouth, we hooked up. Fighting pretty hard, it's a redfish. It's a redfish, he ain't a keeper, y'all. He ain't a keeper, don't get excited. Don't get excited. Bruh, what'd I tell you? Put my spinning reel down and I catch one. Boy, I've been hooking the shit out these suckers today. Fuck. Well, guys, there he is. Hopefully he lives. I don't know if he will. We got us another redfish and we hooked him in the mouth. Holla at your boy. Hook him in the mouth. We hooked up. Get your little trout ass over here. It's the same size. It's him and his brother. Every time. They all the same size. And I hook them in the mouth the same way. Y'all see it. He's a pretty joker, isn't he? Look at that silveriness. All them spots. And him, pretty little guy. You wanna talk to us? Sucker. Sucker. You talk too much shit. Let me go, bastard. Well, holla at your boy. Holla at your boy. Hit subscribe for my boy. Get on out of here. Well, we catched him. Huh? It's, what time is it? Oh, shit. Well, guys, it looks like it's almost time to get up on out of here. Well, we done had a good time. Hopefully I could catch something on the way out, but we don't know. We don't know. But if we don't, see you on the next one. There's my boy Tron. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. What is it, TL Fishing? Tron.
What's your channel? Visually? Well, I have the link in the description what my knowing this channel at. I could swore it was TL fishing last week. Oh shit. Bro. Yeah. Let me get on out of here, guys. Holla at your boy.
Perfect.
Hook 'em in the mouth. Look at your boy.